Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel Sonam Maraki. In today's video, we will unbox and review the Gel Grab Box April 2019 edition. As you all know, it's priced at Rs 499 including shipping. So without any further ado, let's start unboxing. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Bell icon. Press the bell icon. This is how the box has reached me. There's a brown cover as well. On the back end side, we have the website address, their brand name, all their social media handles mentioned, and here on the front it says Grab Box, the classic Grab Box that we have been getting. And this is how it looks from inside. We have this card and all the things are inside this red color pouch. So the first piece of jewelry is this beautiful cuff necklace, and I absolutely loved it. It's simple golden in color. It will go with most of your modern outfits, and even you can pair this with kurtis and all to make it look very Indo-Western. And it's so stylish and such a modern style or design. I really absolutely loved it. Quality wise, it's very good. It's not something that's very thin and flimsy and everything. It's very good quality and looks very good finishing wise. I am very happy with this one, guys. Then moving on, we have 3 pairs of modern earrings. The first one is this, and how gorgeous is that? It has these white and black crystals in between and these golden fringes. Very pretty, very beautiful. It's quite girly. It's perfect for single piece dresses, but if you want, you can pair this with suits and kurtis as well. It is really stunning. I absolutely love this one too. Then next we have another versatile party wear earring, very modern again and very stylish. It's in pure silver color. It has this crisscross pattern which gives it this shine, this changing shine, and I really like it again. Quality wise, it's very good and so stylish. It's lightweight as well, even though it looks so huge, and I love this. And the last pair of modern earrings are these pink crystal earrings. One of the stones here is slightly sided, but I again love this. If you pair this with any pink color dress or any dress which has pink in combination with other colors, it will look absolutely amazing. It's very simple but very stylish again. It is slightly heavy but looks so gorgeous. Now after these modern earrings, we do have some ethnic earrings as well. The first is this beautiful bird earring. It has a bird with pearl hangings and this kundan work in purple and pink color. Again, very beautiful, very different and unique kind of design, and that's how I like my ethnic jewelry. I always like my ethnic jewelry to stand out because I don't wear ethnic always. So when I do wear it, I like when my jewelry stands out. This again has a very good finish, as you can see, and the birds. I am someone who loves birds, so they look really pretty to me. And the final piece of jewelry is this beautiful ethnic earring. It has this peacock stud with these very long jhumkis. Again, I am very happy with this. This, even though is a statement piece, it's not too chunky. It's very simple as well. I love such long danglers. It is a perfect ethnic earring for me, and since it's just oxide silver, you can pair this with almost every suit, every kurti that you have. It's super stylish. It's kind of in between casual and party wear, so you can wear it to parties as well as casually on some festival occasions or anything. I am really happy with this too. So somehow this time I actually loved each and every piece of jewelry. I'm really happy with this time's Gel Grab Box and the curation. I love every design. This is something that I would love to wear. All the pieces are as per my choice personally. You guys might or might not like it. You might have liked some other month, but this is absolutely one of the best editions of Gel Grab Box in my opinion. If you're someone who does not like too chunky and heavy jewelry and likes simple jewelry and yet some things that will stand out, this is an amazing edition. I love the modern pieces as well as the ethnic pieces in it, so I would definitely give it a big thumbs up and would totally recommend this to all of you guys. And even the finishing is very good this time. None of the pieces were like damaged or rusted, anything like that. They looked really good, and quality wise everything was very sturdy and stiff. These are the individual pricing details. The total worth is mentioned as 1700 rupees and the price, as you know, is 499 including shipping. But no matter what this says, I am really happy with this entire set for 499 genuinely, because some of these pieces like this and this, these three are my absolute favorites, the first favorites, and they look some things that will individually cost around 300-400 rupees if you buy them from a good store or some mall or some branded store. And this does not look very branded, but this also is kind of my favorite because it's so cute and such a long dangler. I love long danglers. So I'll stop blabbering and I hope you liked today's review. If you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.